Hi, this is Karthik. I am a CCBP. Today, we are going to see about generative AI. First of all, what is generative AI? Generative AI is shortly termed as Gen AI. It is a type of artificial intelligence that can create a wide variety of data such as images, videos, audio, text, and 3D models. To create a meaningful content, generative AI algorithms are used in the generative AI technology. It uses a large amount of data to create the meaningful content. It does this by learning patterns from existing data, then using knowledge to generate new and unique outputs. It has a wide range of potential applications from creating realistic virtual environments for video gaming and movies to generating personalized recommendations for online shoppers. Gen AI is capable of producing highly realistic and complex content that mimics human creativity, making it a valuable tool for many industries such as gaming, entertainment, and product design. Recent breakthroughs in this field, such as ChatGPT and Midjourney, have significantly advanced the capabilities of Gen AI. These advancements have opened up new possibilities for using Gen AI to solve complex problems, create art, and even assist in scientific research. For example, if we show a generative AI system a lot of pictures of natural scenery that you set in the wallpaper in your mobile, it can learn from them and create new pictures of different natural scenery of wallpapers for you without any human help. It might make pictures of natural scenery of wallpapers of different colors or in different position or in different scenarios, etc. Overall, generative AI is a powerful tool that can create a new content based on what it has learned from the existing examples. How AI works? It works in many aspects. First of all, we see about text generation. Text generation involves using machine learning models to create new text based on patterns learned from existing text data. These models used for text generation can be mark chains, recurrent neural networks, and more recently transformers, which have revolutionized the field due to their extended attention span. Text generation has numerous applications in the realm of natural language processing, chatbots, and content creation. The application which was involved in text generation is ChatGPT, which was developed by OpenAI. Is a successful platform that uses text generation to create human-like responses in chat conversions. Secondly, we see about image generation. Image generation is a process of using deep learning algorithms such as VAU, GIM, and more recently, stable diffusion to create new images that are visually similar to real world images. Image generation can be used for data augmentation to improve the performance of machine learning models as well as in creating art, generating product images, and many more. The application which was involved in image generation is Midjourney and Daily. These are popular choices for anyone seeking to generate realistic image through image generation technique. Thirdly, we see about video and speech generation. Video generation involves deep learning methods such as GAN and video diffusion to generate new videos by predicting frame based on previous frames. Video generation can be used in various fields such as entertainment, sports analysis, and autonomous driving. Video generation can be often seen in use with speech generation. The models used for speech generation can be powered by transformers. Speech generation can be used in text to text speech conversion, virtual assistants, and voice cloning. The application involved in video and speech generation are deep brain and synthesis. It utilizes video and speech recognition to create realistic video content that appears if a human was speaking on camera. Finally, we see about data augmentation. Data augmentation is a process of generating new training data by applying various image transformations such as flipping, cropping, rotating, and color grading. The goal is to increase the diversity of training data and avoid overfitting, which can lead to better performance of machine learning models. Application involved in data augmentation are synthesis AI. It simplifies the process of building and optimizing machine learning models by providing a platform for creating AI models using automated machine learning techniques. Overall, generative AI has a diverse range of applications that go beyond text, image, video, speech generation, and data augmentation. For instance, it can be used for music generation, game development, healthcare, and many more. In healthcare, generative AI can help generate synthetic medical data to train machine learning models, develop new drug candidates, and design clinical trials. These are some examples of possibilities for AI. And as the technology advances, we can expect more application emerges. Now we see what are the use cases for generative AI. Generative AI can be applied in various use cases to generate virtually any kind of content. All technology is becoming more accessible to users of all kind of thanks to emerging innovations like ChatGPT that can be tuned for different applications. Some of the use cases for generative AI includes implementing chatbots for customer service and technical support, deploying deepfakes for mimicking people or even specific individuals, improving dubbing for movies and educational content in different languages, writing email responses, dating profiles, resumes and term papers, creating photorealistic art in particular style, improving product demonstration videos, suggesting new drug compounds to test, designing physical products and buildings, optimizing new chip designs, writing music in specific style or tone. Then we can see about what are the benefits of generative AI. Generative AI can be applied extensively across every area of business. It can make easier to interpret and understand existing content and automatically create new content. Developers are exploring ways that generative AI can improve existing workflows with an eye to adapting overflows entirely to take advantage of the technology. Some of the potential benefits to consider in implementing generative AI are automating the manual process of writing content, reducing the effect of responding to emails, improving the response to specific technical queries, creating realistic representation of people, summarizing complex information into a coherent narrative, simplifying the process of creating content in a particular style. Finally, we see about what are the limitations of generative AI. Early implementation of generative AI vividly illustrate its many limitations. Some of these limitations results from specific approaches used to implement particular use cases. For example, a summary of a complex topic is easier to read than an explanation that includes various sources supporting key points. The reliability of the summary, however, comes at the expense of user being able to vet where the information comes from. The other limitations involved in generative AI are it does not always identify the source of content. It can be challenging to access the bias of original sources. Realistic sounding content makes it harder to identify inaccurate information. It can be difficult to understand how to tune for new circumstances. Results can gloss over bias, prejudice, or hatred. Even though the generative AI has some limitations, there are more advantages in generative AI. AI can not only boost our analytical and decision making abilities but also heighten our creativity. Thank you.